Form 1040-ES is how you pay estimated taxes during the year for self-employment, investment, or other income that isn't withheld. It comes with 4 payment vouchers. Let's fill one out. On the voucher, enter your name, your social security number, and your address. Then the amount of estimated tax you're paying with this voucher. Mail it with your check by the quarterly deadline. Use a separate voucher for each quarter: April, June, September, and January. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com.